G'day folks, it's time to revisit an old favourite yabby dam that I haven't been in for a couple of years and see if there's any yabbies still in here. Hey you! You're watching Robbie Fishing. Now I used to go yabbying in this dam all the time and it was a great dam, except it got really dry a few years ago, and I'm sorry I'm doing this, the Aussies are driving me mad. It was a great dam to go yabbying in, but it got lower and lower and lower until it got to about 30 centimetres deep, and then I put the nets in and caught as many yabbies as I could and took them out to another dam before it dried up. It didn't end up drying up, but it did get down to the last few inches of water, which would make it easy pickings for the birds. Anyway, have the yabbies returned, have their numbers built back up. This is an unknown. Let's get the nets in and find out. Oh no, I haven't actually thrown my net in yet. Well, I have, but not properly. I've just put it in to get it wet so that it's a bit heavier, so that I can throw it a bit easier. Perfect. Net number 1 is in. Now I don't know if you can hear me or not, but you probably can because I've got a loud voice. Net number 2 is going in over this side of the dam. It's a lot deeper here than it is down that end. Righto folks, now both nets are in. I'm going off on an adventure with my family with our cameras and we're going to take some wildlife photos. Then I'm going to come back and check the nets a bit later on this evening. Wish me luck! Righto, it's the morning after. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning. It's quite windy. This could go either way. This could have heaps of yabbies in it, and it could have no yabbies in it, and there could be heaps of yabbies in the dam, but none in the net because they might be not biting because of all the fresh water. Bit of a mystery, this one, a real unknown. Anyway, I put my camera on my head and pull in the nets and see. My guess is 1 yabby. Boy, was I wrong. Boy, oh boy, was I wrong. Have a look at this. Look at them all, and they're huge. Not only was I wrong about the numbers, but I was going to get a photo, but I can't. I won't sit still. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There were 14 yabbies in that net. 14 yabbies in that net, of which probably 8 or 9 were really big, decent sized yabbies that I could have kept for a feed. I'm just looking around to make sure that I don't stand on any that I didn't see. Wow, well that ended better than I thought it would. Awesome, that makes me so happy. As we're staring at the sun, whoa. Now I'm going to get my camera into readiness mode. I've got the camera turned on. The camera's on, all I've got to do is push the shutter button. So if that happens again, I can just empty the net, get the camera, take the photo. Now that I've done that, I'll probably catch 1. Or none. So happy to know that this is still an awesome yabby dam. Oh no, there's a few in here, not as many as the other net, but still quite a few. Get the camera ready. Get. Come on, the lot of yous. Oh yeah, you get all of yous. Out. Get out. Oh, get out of the trap. That one's a little bit in trouble. I think they've been blueing. Come on, get it. You that'll do. Right, let's start counting. Good to see there's some small ones in here as well. Excellent. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What did I get now? 9, 14. 8 and 14, 22 yabbies. That's more than I thought I would get. I thought if I'm lucky I might get 1 or 2. This dam is still in excellent shape. It's welcome back to Robbie Fishing after I just filmed my closing scene. Just got to add a couple of add-ons here. 9, 10, any more hiding in there? 10. I just filmed this big spiel about how I caught 14 plus 8 and that equals 22, and well, it's now 14 plus 10, so I got 24 yabbies in a dam that I didn't think would be all that great. Now this dam in the last 3 or 4 years has almost dried up. It's refilled with fresh water. It's been harvested quite heavy. I'm not the only person that comes here. I know it gets yabbied a bit, and it's still an awesome yabby dam. I love this spot and it's great to be back after a couple of years, and just it's great to know that there's still plenty of yabbies in here. Thank you all very, very much for watching this yabby recon video.